Hello, hi, good morning, assalamualaikum. For YouTube. Alright, we're going to, where are we going? Katoomba. It's like 2 hours drive, so it's sleepy. Yeah, this is Lucian. My name is Adam. Yep, so, yeah, this is Anthony. Now we're waiting for Fernanda, one of our friends. So I'm gonna drive right. It's a mini mall. It's like 2 hour drive from here. It's 5:30 in the morning. 7:30. 3 hours. I don't know. Hey guys, we are at the how many drive already?
Huh?
Like how far more we got?
So now Adam is gonna pay breakfast for everyone.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, just coffee. How far more we going? Like 1 hour and a half? Like 2 hours?
Yeah, another hour and a half.
Yep, an hour and a half. We're gonna be there. Hi Fernanda. I'm making videos for YouTube. There's Fernanda. Hi. Yep, we're going to Marcus to get some coffee.
My mobile.
Alright guys, kita kembali. Okay, saya akan cakap sikit, cakap Melayu sikit dan English sikit. Because, yeah, we got some English people here too, so guys know. Fernanda, I'm checking videos. So, how are you feeling? So we going?
Excited?
Excited, and what else?
I don't know.
You know how to swim, right?
Of course I know, but I don't know if I go to. I don't know if I want to swim. It's too cold, probably.
Why not? Like I never tried the coldest water, so we should try.
No.
Yeah, I don't like to,
don't
right? But we gonna try.
Let's see.
Let's see. We're just gonna try and swim. See it. Oh, how is gonna swim? Alright, we come too far, we have to swim.
I don't know.
Alright.
Let's see when we arrive there.
Right, so now we're gonna
I need to feel the water.
Sambung drive. We're gonna continue drive. Yep. We got one hour more. I think 1 hour more, then we're gonna arrive.
Yep.
See you later. So yes, so finally we at mini AHA. So we're gonna walk for 1.2 kilometer and we're gonna see the waterfall. I'm very bad. Alright, we're definitely gonna jump. But where are we gonna jump to? I'm kind of nervous too, man. No, I'm gonna be thinking first.
Nah, the last time it wasn't a good idea, mate. Come on. Ready, man. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Anthony, cameraman! Look at that! Oh! Whoa!
Yep.
I guess.
Oh, okay, alright.
Ada pergi bro. Masuk. Halo.